Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I want to share with you an ornament I painted for a gift. It's a pretty quick kind of DIY gift idea, so if you need a last minute gift, I think this is a great one. So I just purchased some glass ornaments from Hobby Lobby. They were pretty inexpensive for a thing of 4, and I also got them on sale, so awesome. So I just wanted to share my process of doing this with you guys so you can maybe do it too and make a really cute handmade gift for someone you love. Or, as a white elephant gift. Whatever you want to do. I think it's really fun, pretty quick, and who doesn't love getting something someone made for you? I think that's one of my favorite gifts. I always give a lot of handmade gifts because I'm an artist. It's a pretty easy, more inexpensive and meaningful gift to give someone. So without further ado, here we go. Anyways, let's get started with this ornament. I pre-mixed my colors, so I kind of did 3 different shades of red and a yellow. Originally I had green because I was going to do leaves, but I didn't put that on there. So you really just need the 3 reds and a yellow. So here I'm just outlining the flower, and as I was working I kind of zoned in and I didn't realize you can't really see very well, so just enjoy me painting for a minute and then I'll describe what I'm doing in another shot. So I just sped up the spark again because you can't really see, so here I go painting the flower. Did the red, the yellow, and I changed my process as I do it, so that's not exactly how I did. So here we go, you can see a little bit better. I start with the lightest red and just do the shape of the flower. You're gonna have to do like 2 coats of the paint on it because it's pretty thin at first, but just yeah. So I do 5 petals. Yeah, so I make the petals pointed and make sure they're the shape I want and the size. So there you go, I left a spot in the middle for the yellow. So I go on to another flower because I want that layer to dry, so I just started another one. You do your second layer of paint, and then as you do that, you're also gonna add your different shading. So I just kind of did a line in the center, and then around the edges, and then maybe just a few other spots just to kind of give it a little depth. And I used the darker red and a little bit of the medium red, just to kind of get the depth I want. So as you see here, I'm going around the edge, filling the spot in the center, and then I go onto each petal and do the same thing. I use majority of the darker red. The lighter red I kind of use in certain spots, but I mainly use that darker red. And now I'm doing the center part, which I did a little bit of yellow, and at some point I added white. So here is me going back on the other flower and doing the same thing. I think I used more of all 3 of the reds. So now I'm just gonna do flowers on the majority of the ball, but I'm gonna leave the back of it blank so then I can write Christmas 2020 on the back. So I'm just gonna zoom right through the same process I was doing on all those flowers. And you can do flowers all around it, or just as I do, or just one big one. It's kind of up to you what you want to do. I liked having multiple small ones in it. Yeah, there I added the white, that one. I think I go back and add it to the other ones. I think in total this took me about 40 minutes, but I was also filming at the same time. I probably should have given more time for it to dry while I was working on it, but again, I'm impatient, so wanted to get it done. So here, I didn't realize the film is blurry, so I apologize. There we go, I fixed it. Adding the last few flowers. This was honestly really fun to paint, a little different, but also similar to what I usually do, but it'll make a really nice gift, I think. I'm excited to see how people react to it. So at this point, I finished the last of the flowers. I add the yellow to the center, and then I didn't want to film the part of me writing because I'm terrible with letters, so here's the Christmas 2020 on the back. Didn't turn out that bad, but again, I am not the best with handwriting, especially with a paintbrush. So, the best I could do. But it's pretty cute. I like the little poinsettias on it. And then I also added tulle and little snowflakes into the inside of it because I think it's cute. So that is the finished product. A really good last minute gift for anybody. So, happy holidays, and I'll catch you guys in the new year.